Email verification failed on thinkorswim fix. If you're trying to create a thinkorswim account and your email verification isn't working, you're not alone. Most users run into this, but the solution is usually straightforward. First, double-check the email address you entered. Even one wrong letter or an extra space can prevent the verification email from arriving. Accuracy matters more than you might think. Next, check all folders in your inbox, including spam, junk, and promotions. Many automated emails from thinkorswim get filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Once you find it, click the verification link quickly, since these links often expire after a short period. If the email still hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from the thinkorswim website or app. Resending the link solves the issue for most users. Sometimes your browser or device is the culprit. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the thinkorswim mobile app to ensure the verification email is received. Occasionally, email providers block automated messages. If that happens, consider signing up with another email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which usually work best for verification emails. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact thinkorswim support. Provide details about the failed verification, and they can manually verify your account so you can start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try a different browser or device, and contact support if needed. Doing this will fix most email verification problems quickly and let you access thinkorswim without delay.